In this video, we will discuss the 8 most common errors in the selection and installation of mini-split air conditioners and provide you with tips to avoid them. Error 1. Calculation error, choosing a unit with incorrect capacity, either greater or smaller cooling capacity. Solution. We present you with a practical guide to choosing the ideal power according to the size of your room. Example, if a store space is 20 square meters, a unit of 18,000 BTU per hour would be the best option. Error 2. Ignoring the SEER parameter, or coefficient of performance, on the energy label of the unit at the time of purchase. Solution. We will show you some performance coefficients on the screen to classify air conditioning units. Discover how the SEER parameter impacts your energy consumption and your wallet. Example, a unit with SEER 18 will save you up to 56% of energy, compared to one with a low SEER of 8. Error 3. Improper location of the indoor evaporator unit. Recommendations. A. Small rooms, preferably place on the wider wall. B. Slightly larger rooms, with one side twice the length of the other, place the indoor unit on the shorter wall. C. Larger spaces, preferably use 2 units. D. Remember, keep the indoor unit away from doors, windows, heat sources, and dust. E. Place the indoor unit as high as possible, respecting the distance to the ceiling. F. Do not place the indoor unit on top of appliances. G. Do not ignore the correct location for drainage hoses for condensate water generated in the evaporator. Solution. Observe recommendations for hose placement. Avoid using drainage pumps in the evaporator whenever possible. Error 4. Error in the location of the condenser unit or outdoor unit. Remember that the condenser needs to breathe. Solution. A. Place the condenser unit in the coolest possible location. B. Do not obstruct the air discharges, and respect the distance between the walls. C. Airflow. Do not place it against the exterior airflow. Error 5. Insulation of the air conditioning pipes. Solution. Each pipe must have its own independent insulation, one from the other, to avoid heat exchange between pipes. Error 6. Incomplete vacuum of the system. Humidity can affect performance. Solution. A. The installer must perform a vacuum with a vacuum pump to remove moisture and air from the system before releasing the refrigerant from the outdoor unit. B. In addition to the vacuum test, it can help detect a possible leak before releasing the refrigerant located in the outdoor unit. Error 7. Refrigerant misadjustment, adjusting the final refrigerant amount when there is lengthening or shortening of the pipes. Solution. A. Follow the manufacturer's instructions, and monitor with gauges the correct pressure values. B. Remember that the normal manometric pressure of the unit in operation with our 410A is 121 pounds per square inch, and with our 32 it is 129 pounds. Error 8. Forgetting the oil traps. Solution. Install oil traps when the vertical distance between units exceeds the recommended. Check the equipment installation manual.